Have you ever felt overwhelmed and wished for a moment of calm? Our breath, often overlooked, holds the key. Harnessing the power of mindful breathing can help us navigate through stress and invite tranquility. In this video, we unravel the art of mindful breathing. Breathing is a fundamental part of life, yet often overlooked. This simple act, when done mindfully, can transform our day. It's a natural, yet powerful tool that can help us navigate through life's stressors. By bringing awareness to the rhythm of our breath, we can enhance our focus, reduce stress, and foster a sense of relaxation. This conscious connection with our breath allows us to tap into our body's natural relaxation response. By focusing on our breath, we can tap into our body's natural relaxation response. The first technique we explore is deep belly breathing. Here's how it works. Place one hand on your belly and the other on your chest. As you take a deep breath in through your nose, let your belly rise, filling up with air. Then exhale slowly through your mouth, feeling your belly fall. Repeat this process for a few cycles. This technique encourages full oxygen exchange and slows the heartbeat, promoting calmness. Next, we have the 4-7-8 breathing technique. This method is as simple as it sounds. Begin by inhaling quietly through your nose for a count of 4. Hold your breath counting up to 7. Now, exhale completely through your mouth, making a whoosh sound to a count of 8. This completes one breath. Now inhale again and repeat the cycle 3 more times for a total of 4 breaths. This technique helps to reduce anxiety and can even aid in getting to sleep. Finally, we have box breathing. Picture a box in your mind and follow along its sides with your breath. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds as you trace the first side. Hold your breath for another 4 seconds along the second side. Exhale for 4 seconds down the third side and hold your breath again for 4 seconds along the last side. This technique helps you ground yourself and fosters a sense of calm. Box breathing is a powerful stress reliever and can be done anywhere, anytime. Mindful breathing is a simple yet powerful tool for stress relief. We've explored deep belly breathing, the 4-7-8 technique, and box breathing, each offering unique pathways to relaxation and focus. Remember, just a few minutes of mindful breathing can make a significant difference in your day. Breathe in the calm, breathe out the stress.